In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and format a Power BI waterfall chart. Waterfall charts are a fantastic way to visually represent data, especially when you're looking to show how an initial value is affected by a series of intermediate, positive, or negative values. This can be incredibly useful for financial analysis, helping you to easily understand the cumulative effect on values such as profit and loss over time. Let's dive into the process of creating and formatting this valuable chart. First, you'll want to open Power BI. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it from the official Microsoft website. It's a powerful tool for data visualization and analytics, so make sure you have the latest version to follow along with ease. Once you have Power BI open, it's time to bring in your data. This is a straightforward process. If you're working with data from an Excel file, SQL database, or another source, Power BI allows seamless integration. Click on the Home tab at the top, then select Get Data. Choose the appropriate data source and follow the prompts to import your data. Make sure your data is well organized, as this will make creating your waterfall chart much easier. Now that your data is in Power BI, let's move on to the fun part, creating the waterfall chart. In the right-hand pane, you'll see the visualizations available to you. Look for the one that resembles a jagged stair-like pattern. That's the waterfall chart icon. Click on it to add a blank chart to your report canvas. You might notice that it's empty right now, but not for long. Start by dragging the relevant data fields from your dataset into the appropriate buckets in the chart. Typically, you'll have a category axis, a breakdown, and a values field. For example, you might want to use months or quarters as your category and profits or expenses as your values. Once you have your data loaded into the chart, you'll see it start to come to life. You can customize it further by moving over to the formatting options. Here, you can adjust colors, define a breakdown by category, and add labels or tooltips to give viewers more context or detail. Don't forget to explore the options available under the Format tab, as they allow you to tailor your chart to look exactly how you want it. To finish, spend a little time refining the visual appearance to make sure it aligns with your audience's needs. A well-formatted chart not only looks professional, but also ensures that your data narrative is communicated effectively and clearly. Once you're satisfied, save your work. In Power BI, you can choose to publish your dashboard to share with others, or keep it